It's finally here. We get to show it off. Here is the Titan laptop. Okay, this is the box the Titan laptop comes in when you purchase it from VPG. Before we open it, let's check out what it says on the box. The first thing you will see when you look at the top of the box is the VPG logo. Just underneath, you will see the part number for the Titan laptop. If you ever need to replace the Titan laptop, you can give the part number to a customer service team so they can better assist you. At the bottom, you have our website and of course, that all our designs are done in the US. So let's check out how it looks inside. Okay, perfect. That looks good. Let's take it out for a better look. The Titan laptop is the latest in the Titan series. Titans are known for their heavy-duty protection as they are forged with hardened steel. And of course, the Titan laptop is no exception. The bracket arms of the Titan laptop extend to 17 inches, and it has a grip width of a little more than half an inch, so it will protect most laptops out. On the back of the Titan laptop, you will see similar labels to what was on the box, and just above that, you will see a V symbol. This is where the LEDs of the Titan laptop are located. You can also aim the key fob at the symbol if you want to utilize the Titan laptop's quick disconnect feature. The Titan laptop is designed to maximize the space on the fixture. Now, more laptops can be added to the display, leading to more sales. The Titan laptop is now available for purchase.